Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Messenger can't say online on your settings. All you have to do is just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here in this window, and you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then it's going to take you to next window here. You just go down here to looking for Messenger app here, and you click here on Messenger, and you go to next window here, you click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, then you just go down, you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, and you click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just go to Play Store and search for Play Store app, and search sorry for Messenger app, and you will find update. You click on update, and it's going to fix your problem. So that's all. I wish now you are get it. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.